Hello everybody, and welcome back to a new video. Today I'm going to be playing War Thunder with my friends, and we're just going to be, messing around today.
Maybe doing some arcade aircraft, or maybe some ground realistic.
Yeah.
Having fun. Alright, so let's get straight into it, Alex. Do you have your lineup?
What are we doing again?
Aircraft.
Oh, okay, yeah. Let me get to aviation. There.
Yep. Your favorite president. Swear to God, if I get an ad...
Oh, my good ammo's run out. I know, I think that's it. Oh, uh-oh. That's not good.
Oh no! Well, it does appear I'm going to have to repair. Because my wheels decided to leave.
Oh.
There's A here.
Alright, I only got one kill, but I think I'll get a couple. Yeah, there you go. I got a couple assists, though.
I'm shooting at this guy named a Ratch Turtle.
Oh. Wait.
Being shot at! Oh! I got a kill! I'm listing, though.
There you go, I got him. But
Alex,
my engine is kaplooey again.
You know it's bad when your plane's listing. Oh, that's why I'm missing my stabilizer.
Oh. Yeah, you might need that.
Wait. Wait, does that mean I can fly up?
Dead.
No, it doesn't mean I can fly upside down. Let us fly upside down, Gaijin. What?
Why am I going up? Why is my screen shaking?
My flight does not look very good.
Oh, I'm not gonna make it. Hold on.
It's listing, and there's a bunch of stuff that's black with red outlines. Oh.
Oh, please, don't crash. Don't crash, don't crash. Crash. Oh,
Did I make it on its tail? Come on. Oh, come on.
I set it on fire. How is that not a crit? There you go. Aircraft destroyed. Get wrecked.
Alex
proceeds to cut out the footage where I got wrecked.
Me and this Spitfire, we're dancing.
Oh. What type of what type of dance are you doing? The death dance or?
The death dance. It's the one where I try and drive them into the walls of this canyon.
The guy crashed into me.
What?
There's another BF-110. I'm gonna go kill him.
No.
There can only be one BF-110.
I need to spend 4 minutes in this canyon here.
Oh, it's the Ratchet Turtle guy. There can only be one, I tell you. Only one.
It doesn't appear I may spend this next 3 minutes trying to get out of this canyon. Oh, no. Okay. Can you shoot a base to death, Alex?
Probably if you have like 30mm cannons.
Oh.
Alright, I'm gonna try to get 2 kills.
Oh, hey, there's a Ratch turtle.
He already respawned? I thought he like just died.
Yeah, and he's in a 110 again.
Oh. The 110 F2.
Okay.
It's a 3. Damn it. I didn't even get a kill and the American killed me. Come on.
Oh, wait, what?
The American killed me. Let's go intercept the bomber with no air defense. That was fun. Oh, this is a biplane. What the hell?
Oh, yeah.
I killed it instantly.
The number is P-47. It's British. What's coming for me, bro?
Alright, the yak was going after me, but...
Come on, let's go! I got it!
Oh, you got the French P-47. Let's go.
That's British.
Oh, it was French.
Alright. Please. Okay. It had the British symbol though, the circles. Alright. Ready to watch me land?
Yeah, definitely.
Oh! Hold on, that might help me.
Alright, what's
Nope.
shooting at me? It's scary.
Oh. Never mind. Wait, can I? No, I'm dead.
Stop shooting at me. I have a great fear of dying. Oh, it's the Ju-88 again. Oh, yeah, let's go.
There was another Russia-Ukraine war?
Yeah, that's how Russia gained Crimea back in 2014 when it
I don't know that.
when it basically did the same thing, held a referendum in the Ukrainian territory about if they wanted to join, and then kind of just took it over.
It may have worked last time, but it's not going to work this time.
Yeah.
I don't know much about that area of history. I know about the Irish Revolution.
That's cool. Oh my god, the MiG, he took it. Oh my god, I'm dead.
Who took what?
The Russian thing took it. The C point.
Alex, we may actually get best squad. We're
Yeah.
decent.
Alright, sounds like a job for everybody else.
Air brake. Flaps.
Oh, how could you guys do that? You recaptured the gosh darn airfield. Oh no.
Did you know the Stuka doesn't have any landing flaps? So let's just touchdown. Oh, good.
Are you learning that and for the first time now, and are you dying, or is that just a fun fact you know?
That's just now a fun little fact. Okay.
Are you perhaps in danger, Morgan?
Oh my, I'm perhaps very much in danger!
Oh no. Alright, Morgan, I'll be there as soon as I don't die.
Oh, okay.
Might take a bit.
Just yeet my bomb out of here.
Get wrecked. Alright, time to get this. Alright, someone else did that.
Full speed, but
Alright, someone else got that.
anything I can.
Alright, I got a double strike. I think I almost just killed my teammate by accident. Oh, there's that MiG again. Oh no, no, no. You're scary because you're fast.
No,
I'm no fast. Sure.
Okay.
Just... barely. Oh my god, it's the same MiG guy. Just give up. For
I'm absolutely destroyed, but I'm being repaired. No.
this BF-109E is gonna have a rough time when I introduce him to like 30 millimeters of bullets.
I almost made it under the bridge, Alex.
Oh no.
Oh, there's another bridge.
How many people are left on? Oh, we're almost done because there's like almost no one left on the team.
One.
Ouch,
Even though
too game.
No, they're armored, they're your best targets.
Yeah.
Because of the whole survivorship bias thing.
Yeah.
Alright, Alex, I'm performing a dive.
I missed.
Okay.
Enemy kill assist. Alright, let's go after the P-17 real quick.
Oh my god, where's the air siren on this thing?
Oh no, the later models don't have them.
Oh yeah.
Because the Air Force got tired of revealing their location.
No, they got scared by their own siren.
Yeah. What?
Is it just diving into the ground?
I don't... The aircraft destroyed. I guess it... I don't even know what was going on. I didn't even shoot anything important. All I shot was, like, its gunner. That's it.
Into the ground for some reason.
It was just like, you know what? I had enough of this. I'm out of here.
No, I'm done. My mom told me to take the dog out.
Yeah. Oh, Morgan, I'm gonna help you.
Oh my god!
Oh, there you go. Kill assist.
Thank you, Alex.
You're welcome, Morgan. I definitely did that. I protected you real good. I almost shot at my teammate.
That fighter's wing came within 1 inch of my freaking plane.
I plane sniped somebody.
Ah yes, plane sniping, but when you shoot them in the plane.
Ah yes. Like people will go up in planes and then bring out sniper rifles.
Like in the oh god.
Oh, you got killed by a fellow F model.
Time to bring out my SW-190.
I'm getting killed. This thing has like no survivability. He says after he kills another person. Alright, what? Get out of here, American. Go back to America. Yeah, that's it. I'm on fire. Hold on. Emergency landing.
But Alex, like after it. No, maybe if this is it.
Uh-oh. 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 Uh-oh.
I got one, like maybe
I
one
have
more.
7 seconds. Oh, no, right.
Like maybe
I
one
have
more.
7 seconds.
Oh, maybe if this is it.
Uh-oh. 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 Uh-oh.
I got one, like maybe
I
one
have
more.
7 seconds. Oh, no, right. How did I miss?
Maybe many try. Red Baron. No more. Yo, we are just like loop-de-doop-ding around the sky.
Oh yeah, the other guy crashed into the ground. Oh yeah, get wrecked.
Mom, what was the plane that Red Baron flew?
It was a biplane. I don't know, the red one.
Yeah, it was a biplane from this is during the First World War. Yeah, Southwest Camel.
The what?
Topless camel. It's a British plane. Okay, he's down, he's down. Never mind. Pull around. He's not down, he pulled around. Oh, he died.
Come on. Kill the American. No. I'm gonna get killed by this FW in a minute. Yep.
Oh no, I got you, I got you, I got you. It's running. It's on the run.
I'm on fire.
Take slam out, slam.
Alright. Sounds good. Oh, never mind. I can't. No turn. No turn. Oh no. Abort. Please help. Mayday. Oh, it didn't explode. Let's go. I'm upside down on fire, Morgan. Just like I said I would be. Oh, that fire looks very angry. Oh, there we go. Please, help. Help. Oh, there I go.
What?
I'm dead.
Oh, okay. I thought you said something about the video.
Oh, it's the yellow thing again that killed me.
How close are you to the... go for the enemy base.
I can't. There's like a bajillion fighters in the way. I'm just gonna go after this stuff.
Alex, I made it there.
You're in a Ju-87. That's way faster and less conspicuous than the bright white bomber.
Yeah, good point.
Also, plus these will also help us win faster anyway.
Alex, we want to finish bombing the base.
And someone will get around to it eventually.
Right then, we got someone heading to the base already. Oh, wait. We got someone, like, over the base right now. It's in a Mariner.
2 targets destroyed.
I don't think he's... Yeah, I think he's lining up.
See, there you go. What did I tell you? Final blow.
Bruh. Don't mind me just going for my casual evening drive at, like, 100 kilometers an hour.
Yeah.
Ow.
Going after the bomber again. I swear I'm gonna get it this time.
Now wait. Why are they so close to hitting the bombing area?
You didn't even hit me!
I'm punching holes in their front line.
He didn't even hit me! Like, what was that?
The enemy is winning.
What was that garbage?
Oh, he's still alive.
Not for much longer, he's not.
B-17 I'm going for.
Yeah, get wrecked, bozo. Bozo.
Bro, die! Ready! Dead now.
There you go, I critted him for you.
He got his other engine. He won't die!
Literally, your teammate just crashed into him. He's still alive.
I just crashed into him and he didn't freaking die.
Oh, hold on. I'm gonna go get him. There you go.
Oh. Break. Crap.
Did you get an assist?
No.
You didn't?
Landing on the... I didn't.
Aw, I'm sorry.
Actually, I got it counted as landing. I whacked into his underside and broke my propeller. Rather annoying.
Now watch out. I'm going for the, Alright, never mind. Someone killed him. Oh no, it's not the KI. Uh-oh. There you go. Took him out quickly. Unlike last time.
Like, fix my engine and put me back up into the air.
Yeah. Well, I thought the propeller was broken, not the engine.
Oh, they're bombing machine guns. Oh, and they just killed you.
No, I'm still flying half my plane. Oh no, not the cliff, not the cliff. No, still I got him.
Game runs across my dreaded enemy, the cliff.
The cliff.
What the?
Check out part of his wing. How is he not dead? He's gotta die.
I got killed by friggin' P-51. I hope he crashes.
Oh, I got him.
You got the P-51?
Where's the P-51?
Mad Alien. Like, over on the right a bit. Or, wait, hold on. To your left.
Okay.
Left. 10 o'clock?
10 o'clock. 10 o'clock, 10 o'clock, 10 o'clock. Oh, I think I see him.
Coming for you, he's coming for you, Alex.
Like, up, down.
Right. Left side, left side.
Left.
But that's not him. That's a different guy.
Oh, I see him, yeah, I see him, I see him.
Bomber, I'll come in for the P-51. You get the bomber that just flew by.
I only hit him once. What is this garbage?
Oh, I hate.
Oh, he set me on fire, no! Alright, Morgan, I think this is the end. My gunner just went unconscious. Probably died from inhaling smoke.
Like,
Oh yeah, my entire plane's on fire now. Oh no, wait, I can still fly. All my wings are broken, so I still just have the body.
nice.
Oh, that's not good, I'm listing.
Sorry. No, wrong button. Oh, let's go. Alright, I'm
There's
sure.
another FW.
Yeah, I'm counterattacking, alright, bro.
I mean, oh yeah, that's right, we are losing still. I just realized that.
Whoa.
Mark him. Oh, he's going straight for me. Aircraft destroyed, get wrecked. Oh no, I'm spinning. Quick, go for the other ones.
Let's go, that's one!
Oh my gosh, we got it. I hope you enjoyed the air battles. Maybe we'll do like ground battles next time. I don't know. And please subscribe.
Please like and subscribe.
Subscribe for ground battles.